Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and we are on ornament number 6 of our 2023. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We're on ornament number 6 of our 2023 So Jolly Quilty and Stitchy ornaments. So if you missed ornaments 1 through 5, go back and make sure to watch those videos. I show them all up close and talk about them. If I have any tips, I share them in those videos as well. If you missed all of them and this is the first video you're seeing, we are doing a sew along with our 2023 So Jolly Quilty and Stitchy ornaments. You can get both of these patterns in my store. I will list that below. It's store.confessionsofahomeschooler.com and just search for So Jolly ornaments. They should both pop up for you. If we have any kits left, the Stitchy ornaments kits would be listed in my shop and the Quilty ornaments kits will be listed at Catching Stitches. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. This is going to be ornament number 6 for the Stitchy and 5 for the Quilty because I got off on my numbering, so I apologize, but we're just calling it ornament number 6. So ornament number 6 is this cute little ornament featuring a bowl full of buttons and a little tomato pin cushion. Again, we've got a little bit of back stitching right there, but it's nothing difficult. It just crosses over 2 stitches, so super easy. And then a cute little white and blue striped cake stand there. If this is your first video, go back and watch all of the other ones because each one has a ton of different information and any tips that I might have on stitching them, but they're all finished the same way. And if you don't want to do the little ornaments, the pattern also includes information on how to finish it as one solid piece, and then you could frame it or whatever you wanted to do with it that way. So these are all stitched on 14 count Zweigart Aqua Ada. And then if you finish them using that, it is about this ones might be a little bit more than 2 inches, 2.5 by 2.5 maybe. And then the tin makes it 3 by 3. So these are perfect size for your Christmas trees. The little tins and the round sticky board I finished it on are both from Fat Quarter Shop, so you can get that there if they still have them in stock. And then the ribbon is the Stitching with the Housewives red gingham ribbon. So super, super cute and easy way to finish it. You can, of course, finish it however you want. 2 years ago, I finished them off using little 3-inch embroidery hoops. Super cute. I do have a finishing video for that. And then last year, I finished them off as little pillows. So I just stuffed them, put a little trim around the outside. So there's a lot of finishing options you can do for these. So you don't have to do these little tins if you can't get a hold of them. They are all stitched using DMC floss, but again, you can substitute out the floss with any floss that you prefer. Now the Quilty version of this got a little bit of feedback from my kids. They think it looks like a bowl of cereal. I was trying to make it look like buttons, guys. So if it doesn't look like buttons to you, maybe it's spools of yarn, like little balls of yarn. Here it is. So it's a little bowl, super cute. This is a sweet butter print down here on the bottom, and then I tried to have little buttons, in the bowl, but my kids thought it looked like cereal. So you can decide for yourself. If you want, I was thinking the other option would be to make these 3 center pieces. Instead of making them the background color, you could make them green, red, and pink, and then it might look like a little bowl full of balls, like, I don't know, yarn balls or something like that. So that's that. You can decide what you want. I actually left them like that because I think they're kind of cute. So you can do whatever you prefer on those. This fabric, again, I think the green is a fig tree. I've got a pink gingham and then a red gingham. And then I did my same red gingham backing with this cute little palm trim on the edges. And I said in the first video that this stuff was kind of a pain to work with, but I think it was a good payoff. It was worth it in the end. I found it easier to hand stitch on. I was trying to machine stitch those on and it was just making a mess. So if you're going to add something like this, I kind of recommend doing it by hand after you're done putting the ornament all together. And then of course I have my little rickrack hanger and my red ribbon on top. And this ribbon is just attached to the hanger. And I will have a finishing video for both this one and this one coming soon, so stay tuned for that if it hasn't already released. I think I'm going to do it after we go through all the ornaments because I find it easier to make all the ornaments first and then finish them all at the same time. So I'll probably release that at the end, but I think I asked if you guys wanted to see that video sooner, and then if you do, maybe I can put that up a little bit sooner. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to my little tree back here. If you want information on this tree, I'll link the closest one I can find below. I think I got mine at Michael's quite a few years ago, but you can get them on Amazon, Walmart, Michael's, anywhere like that. Just make sure you're using like a coupon if you go to Michael's because I think they're a little bit more expensive there. Target usually has pencil trees as well. So I like them because they're tall and and skinny, perfect for these little ornaments, and then they don't take up a whole lot of real estate in my sewing room, but I still have that super cozy, festive vibe. If you're sewing or stitching along, don't forget to leave your progress pics in our Facebook group. I will link that below as well. It's always fun to see what you guys are doing and how you're finishing your projects. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for joining me. Stick around for our next video and we'll be looking at ornament number 7. This is going to be ornament number 6 for the Stitchy and ornament number 6 for the... I do 14 count because it's easy for me to see with, of course, a light and some glasses. The pattern actually also includes if you don't want to do little